So next, let's talk about track changes feature. That's especially helpful for legal professionals working on collaborative documents. Sini, how does track changes simplify collaboration in Zoho Writer?
Great question, Gautam. So track changes in Zoho Writer allows users to see all the edits that have been done, whether they are additions, deletions, or modifications. It clearly highlights changes, making it easy for everyone to see what's been altered.
That sounds great. Can users easily accept or reject those changes?
Yes. Users can accept or reject changes with a simple click, streamlining the entire revision process.
Perfect. This will definitely help legal teams maintain control over the document revisions while collaborating more efficiently. So let me quickly show you where to access track changes. So in the document section, you can quickly click on the compass mode and switch over to review mode. In here, you'll have an option to enable track changes, and you also have various options like all markup, no markup, or original. So using this, you'll be able to highlight, you'll be able to track the changes that has been happening over the document. So when multiple users are working on the document, you can enable it so that the content will not be altered without your notice.
Great, Gautam. Thank you for showing us where to find these track changes. So now let's move to redlining and combining versions. Gautam, can you explain how redlining helps in legal document revisions?
Certainly, Sini. Redlining allows legal professionals to compare different versions of a document and highlight any changes. It makes it easier to see what's been modified, which is really crucial during contract negotiations and revisions. Let me show you how to check on this redlining feature. So in the document section, you can click on File and go to Document History. In here, you will have an option to compare versions. By clicking on it, you can select the required version. So let's just say I'll select the 6th version and the 1st version, and I'll click on Compare. So now I'll be able to check out what are the changes that has been made between these two versions. So you can see here that there are around 550 changes made, and I can simply click on the next button. So to highlight those changes, and I'll be able to compare these versions.
That's great. That sounds helpful. But what if multiple collaborators are making changes? Let's take an example where a legal team is sharing a document with an external user who prefers writing contents in MS Word. They edit the document in docx format and then share it back to the legal team. So now, how can the team track and maintain consistency?
That's really a great question, Sini. Zoho Writer offers a feature to combine revisions from multiple collaborators. The legal team can simply share the document, and their client can send the document after editing it in their preferred format. Now, the legal team can make use of the combined revisions feature and then upload the docx file to Writer. Not only that, the track changes will be enabled so that the changes that has been added can be highlighted. So let me show you how this option works. So in the document section, you can go to the review mode, and under review mode, you'll have a button called Combined Revisions. Just click on it and choose any MS Word document. So if your clients send the document after editing, you can simply choose the document that they have sent and click on Open. So now you will have multiple options where you can combine these to the existing document and then create a new document. Or else you can combine it in the same document where the changes will be highlighted so that you can easily identify the changes that has been made by your clients. So this is how easy it is for you to combine the document into the existing document.
That's great. This seems like a real time saver. Legal teams can work together seamlessly while tracking all changes.